Steve here, ShinRC, and I just got the Losi LMT in. Looks real good. I'm going to do this a little different than a normal unboxing because everyone does it the same and you've probably seen it already, so I'm going to do mine different. I just want to let you know I'm going to have some tips in here and some fixes that I came up with to solve some problems. Tony, CCXRC, found some problems, minor ones with these trucks. He had his for a very long time before they released. So I'm going to show you that, but first I just want to let you know the radio's nice on this. Truck got big tires. It's got big axles. It has a big wheelie bar. Big shocks. Big links. Has a big body. Has a big brushless motor and a big ESC. It's a nice truck. I'm going to show you the tips next and we'll look close at it. Here's what also comes with it. A nice instruction manual. 4 AA batteries. Extra rubber battery hold down strap. And looks like body post and some little parts here. Alright guys, real quick I'm going to show you the radio. It's real cool. It has the voltage meter for the battery in the truck. Has the speed limit 50, 75, 100. AVC rate, brake rate, steering trim, throttle trim. Has like a A and B third channel switch, and that's the bind button. Much better than the older radios they used to include in the ready to runs. Let's put that aside and look at the truck here. I'm just gonna take the pins out. They're under the bottom here. And under the bottom of the roll cage here. Keep in mind I'm doing this with one hand, guys. And there it is. You see the lights in it. You got the plug right here. Metal chassis. There's the big ESC and the big motor. Now Tony, CCXRC, he ran his hard, and the sway bar ends pop out of here from the grub screw coming loose. So before you run this thing, take them out. Make sure you put thread lock on them and put them back in. Also, like with any ready to run, check everything, every nut and bolt, just go over it. And then there's another thing I want to show you here. I'm probably going to have to take off the tire to show you what I'm going to do here. These steering pins, there's one on the top and one on the bottom, and they also could come loose and then you lose them. So I'm going to show you what you have to do to stop that from happening. Alright, I got the tire off. You could see right there's a little grub screw. That holds in the pin, and there's one on the top and bottom, and like Tony said, they're prone to falling out and you lose them. So I found a trick here. Just get a little rubbing alcohol, clean this up a little bit on the top and sides, just like this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get some Gorilla Tape, cut a little piece like this, and to hold them pins from falling out, all you have to do is stick this right here, right on there. Go across over that pin and down around to the other side. Just like that. I thought of doing this just stick it right down you could probably use a good vinyl sticker or something, any other kind of tape, maybe even double-sided stick tape will work good. But this is the Gorilla tape, so you put that on just like that, and I figured if this grub screw comes loose, this tape will hold your pin from pulling out, so you could go around and do the top and bottoms on all the 4 of them. So that's what I'm going to do to mine. Here you go, guys. This is a comparison. The left side's the Clod, the LMT, and the Kyosho Fox with the Mad Force wheels. I'm going to show you up close the difference between them. We'll start out first with the Clod here. You can tell that has some metal gears. There's a difference between a stock Clod and the LMT, and you'll notice the wheelbase is also a little shorter by that much. Let's put them sideways. Head to head. I'll push them up against this back wall. You could see a stock Clod buster isn't as wide also. It's a little bit narrower. There they are from the side. Now let's get the Kyosho Fox and see what that looks like. Oh, this thing's a beast. There it is from the side. It's a longer wheelbase. It's a bit wider also. Let's see from the front here. Where I cracked mine and had to refix it. UV glue works like a charm. There they are from the front. The wheelbase is a hair bigger on the Kyosho chassis. I'll put the tires the same back there. And there you go. That's like an inch longer, I would say, almost an inch. But there you have it, guys. I just wanted to show you them. Anyhow, guys, the truck looks really cool. Can't wait to get it out and run it. I gotta charge up a battery and see if I could get out there, and I'll make another video soon of it running and share my thoughts on it. I just gotta get done thread locking all these on and finishing this up with the tape over them, and I'll be ready to go, and I'll let you know how it runs. Looks really nice. It's cool as anything. Alright, guys, if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate the support as always. If you have any comments, let me know. I'll try to answer them. I'm going to try to get this running, go outside and get you guys a video real soon. See you next time. Steve, Shen RC out. Pew!